Over this side, so there is no need to tell what we are going to do today, but as you can see on the t-shirt, I'm going to do the food review of the 16th bakery. So as you can see that they have sent me a lot of products, a handful of products. As you can see, it's still under the brown packaging, eco-friendly. So let's do the unpackaging first and we'll let you know what all things are there inside. So before I do the unpackaging, as you can see, it's written on this chunky down here. So let's open this up and let's see what's chunky inside. Is it chunky Pandey? I know it's a PJ, don't mind that, don't comment down that it was a PJ. Okay, so this has come out. So very nice eco-friendly packing by the 16th, and this is just to let you know it's a Davao home-based bakery and they bake fresh goods, they bake fresh products daily. So today what they have sent me is, I hope it opens, is this. Wow, have a look at it. So this is the home baked cookies by them and this is chunky variant of it. So just to let you know the prices of it, it is 100 pesos per box. And let's do the unboxing of the other variant of the cookies. So as you can see, it's written on it in this one, it's Funfetti. So if you know what Funfetti is, you know what is going to be inside, but still let's open it up for you. But one thing I want to point out about the 16th is that they have taken care of the environment a lot. They are not sending me polythene bags, they are sending me the bags of the paper, and their boxes are also made up of the paper. So it's a good thing, it's a good education to all of the collaborators, all of the future collaborations also, that if you are sending me some baked products, if you're sending me some cookies, so you can also send it in a eco-friendly way. So this one was the Funfetti. So let's open it up. Wow, have a look at it. The cookies, they have the sprinkles on them, and oh man, as soon as I kept it near my nose, I could smell the aroma. So last one, as you can see, is marshmallow. So let's see how the marshmallow and the cookies, they look together. I've never seen anything like that before. So let's try and figure out. Okay, so the last cookie package is out. Let's see how the marshmallow and the cookie looks like. Wow, it looks like as if the marshmallow has been melted on the cookie top. So this is something different, something which we are used to see on the food channels of Australia and America, the bakeries of Australia and America. So it's a good thing that now even our local home-based bakers, they're also getting up to the mark. They're also making products which are of American and Australian standards and which are in the current scenario and in this hard times of Corona. So this is the last package that they've sent me, and this is actually not a cookie, just to let you know in advance. So let's open this up and let's see what's there inside. Okay, so this is cold actually inside. Okay, so as you can see, they have sent me a wooden fork, so I guess there's something to eat inside. Okay, let's do the unboxing of it. Wow, look at it, the chocolate marble layer on the top of the chocolate cake. So as I've been told, the Choco Moist cake by the 16th, it costs 150 pesos per tub, which is a very good price. If you have ever eaten home cooked, home based, home baked choco cakes which are of this quality and this much denseness, as you can see, I'm making it go all around, it's so dense. So this is costing only 150 pesos, so that's a good deal, guys. So let's continue with the video and let's do the food review, and let's see how all these things sent to me today by the 16th taste like. So let's start the food review video of the 16th. So the 16th, as you have seen, they have sent a variety of things. So let's start the food review video by reviewing the first type of cookie, that is the chunky cookie. So as you can see, the cookie size is actually big enough to call it a giant cookie. So it is in my hands. My hands are already bigger than your hands, and it is this big. So this is actually the size of cookies given to me by 16th. So this is called the chunky version. So I will take this cookie and I will take a bite out of it, and I will tell you the honest review which I feel about this cookie. It feels heavy when you are holding it, but it feels light after you have a bite inside it. I don't know if you can understand this feeling right now, but I will give a simple example to you. If you've ever eaten rasgulla, the big rasgullas, they feel heavy when you hold them, but it feels light when it goes inside your mouth. So that's same thing. And my cameraman is already salivating after hearing about rasgullas, so we'll not say the term again. But as you can see, after one bite itself, the chocolate was dripping out from the cookies. So the cookies are freshly baked, they're home baked, and they feel very moist. They're not like the dry cookies which we get in the packed versions of the cookies. So the cookies are nice. So in this pack, in this box of the crunchy cookies, there are actually 4 cookies. 2 are in my hands, 2 are in the box. So let's go to the next version of the cookies, that is the Fanfatti. So Funfetti or Fanfetti, however you pronounce it, I don't know. Just comment down and let me know if you want to let me know. This also has 4 cookies inside, and this looks so cute. It looks like as if the birthday cake has been baked inside the oven. As you can see in the back also, they have the different rainbow color. It looks cute. I don't know if it will taste also cute. So we'll take a bite out of it. This one, it tastes like as if you are eating Milky Bar. If you've ever eaten that Milky Bar, that chocolate, white color chocolate, it is a bit sweeter than this one. This one was like I am biting inside the Silk, or I am biting inside the Cadbury, the brown chocolate or the dark chocolate, and this one feels like I am biting inside a milk chocolate. So let's wait for the last one, which I am actually waiting for. This one is the marshmallow cookie, and this just feels like a dream of any food blogger in this world to eat it, because as you can see, without even biting inside, the marshmallows are dripping out, they are drizzling out, there is chocolate. It is actually what I feel, I am not sure, I will ask and tell you if you want. I think it is the 16th, the chunky version, but with the marshmallows on the top. So it also has the 4 cookies inside. One is in my hand, 3 is in the box. So let's take a bite of it. I will try to take the marshmallow inside in one bite, and let's tell you the taste. The marshmallow, it gives it a little bit of lightness, or I should say a little bit of cloudiness, because marshmallow is still marshmallow. It is having the air inside, but because the cookie is so doughy, because it's so soft, it is so light and chewy, the marshmallow, it adds up to it. So basically what I feel is it's the chunky version, but with marshmallows on the top. So if you want to go a level up, go for this one. So out of the 3 cookies which they have sent me, the time for the honest answer, I love the marshmallow. It is my best try among all the 3 variants. And just to let you know, it's a good news for you that all the 3 variants, they are 100 pesos, and it's for 100 pesos per box, and per box you get 4 cookies. So it's a good deal for a home baked cookie which is this big in size. It is not a small biscuit, it is not a small cookie which you get inside those packed biscuits. So this is a nice thing to see. And let's go to the last thing which they've sent me. I will just take off the chocolate first. That is the chocolate cake. I tried to do the drumming effect, but I failed somehow. Not my fault. So as you can see, this is the choco moist cake sent to me by the 16th. And as you can see, this cake is actually good enough for 2 to 3 people. And it is also home baked. It is also freshly baked on the day that you order. So when you order these cookies, they will be made on the day itself. I will put their link down here. So if you want to message them on Instagram, you can message them on Instagram, and then they will book a rider for you from their place to here as their home base. So you have to get it from the rider itself. So they've sent me a wooden fork, and now let's take a bite of the cake. I will hold it like this so that you can see the effect of the fork going inside and coming out. Wow, look at it. This looks like pure chocolate heaven, pure chocolate dream. It is not even falling down from the fork. My cameraman is already angry at me. I don't know why. And look at this. Look at the crater. Look at the pit which it has created. I think it is around ½ inch or maybe less than that, 1/4 of an inch of thick layer of chocolate. This looks like a chocolate heaven. Let's take a bite. Let's not waste much more time on describing it. No need to bite. This is the food which I think the doctor should give to the patients who can't eat, because you don't need to bite into this. This is a medical fact, medical joke. If you get it, good. If you don't get it, don't. But my point is, if in 150 pesos you get this big of a box with this thick of a chocolate, let's take another bite and show you. As I'm not kidding, I have not seen this thick of chocolate layer on any Choco Moist cake which is home baked, which is home cooked, which is freshly baked, and so tasty and so worth for the price. As other people, they sell Choco Moist cake, one tub which is equal, actually smaller than this, for around 250, 300, 400 pesos, but they are selling it just for 150 pesos. So guys, don't miss this offer. If you want to gift it to someone on their birthday, make sure to order it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you guys. I will have the last bite of this cake and we'll get off.